Hi students, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to grade 11 business mathematics class. So, um, before the Christmas holidays, we have learned trigonometry, is it right? So first three exercises we have completed. So this last exercise is somewhat different from all other exercises. The reason is it is an inverse trigonometric function. Till now you have learned trigonometric functions. So this one is inverse trigonometric functions. We are not going to learn deeply. So we are going to learn just an introduction, okay? So inverse trigonometric function. First we need to learn something what about the inverse. So the inverse trigonometric functions means what are the inverse trigonometric functions? General trigonometric functions sin x, cos x, tan x, cosec, sec, cot. Okay. So inverse trigonometric functions. What are the inverse trigonometric functions? Means sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cosecant inverse x, cos inverse x. So this all called the inverse functions. Okay. So secant theta equal to x. If it is secant theta, if it is sin theta equal to x means when you are taking the theta value, it will change as inverse. That's the meaning. So sin inverse of x. Understand? So it's an inverse functions. Understand? So in your book, I don't know whatever your page numbers in your book. So theta equal to sin inverse of x. Okay. So take your book full of inverse trigonometric functions. There one tablet column is given. So just you go through this. That is sin inverse of x means domain is minus 1 comma 1 closed interval. What about the range? Cos inverse of x. What about the domain and range? Tan inverse of x. What about the domain and range? Cosecant inverse x, secant inverse x, cot inverse x. You just learn it. Sometimes for one verse they may ask this. Okay. So the next one is property. This property is everything you need to learn. We will use for the problems. Sin inverse of sin x. So it's x. So tan inverse of. So everything that particular function and its inverse function. If you are multiplying time, you will get the value as x. That's the meaning. Okay. That's the first property. Then property number 2 is you will get the same as in reciprocal ratio. That is sin inverse of 1 by x means cosecant inverse of x you will get. So you know already sin of that is the reciprocal of sin x means you will get cosecant x. Is it right? So same as that sin inverse of 1 by x means cosecant inverse of x. Then tan inverse of 1 by x means cot inverse of x. Secant inverse of 1 by x means cos inverse of x. Okay. Then cos inverse of 1 by x is equal to secant inverse of x. Okay, so same as this. Also you need to learn. The next one is property number 3. Sin inverse of minus x. What about this? Then property number 4. Sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x. What about the values? Then this property. So all the properties you need to learn. So 6 properties are there. So today your work is you need to learn all the properties. Please children, take down your notes, put the heading inverse trigonometric functions. No need to write all the properties to your note. Just you learn all the properties from your book, it's enough. Okay, no need to waste the time, no need to waste your note. Okay, so no need to write. So sometimes you have an habit, you won't learn anything in your book. If you are in that category, please take down this to your notes and learn it. Okay, just you will. Okay, we will move on to the problem. Example 4.23. Customers find the principal value of first one is sin inverse of 1 by 2. Second one is tan inverse of minus 3. Solution. Okay. First one, sin inverse of 1 by 2. Okay. So let us take this first as let sin inverse of 1 by 2 equal to y. Okay. So for sin means it will be the sin inverse of x. Is it right? What about the range? You need to learn the range, then only it will be very easy. So you need to learn the range. Okay. The reason is here you need to write the range. So what's the range for sin inverse? Take down the tabular column and check it and say So minus pi by 2 less than or equal to, here we took as y. So y less than or equal to pi by 2. Okay, what about the range? That is pi by 2 less than or equal to, that is minus pi by 2 less than or equal to y less than or equal to pi by 2. Okay. So it's the range. So next sine of y is equal to, so sine inverse of 1 by 2 equal to y means, if you are finding sine y, what will happen? The value is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, sine y equal to 1 by 2. Okay, that is equal to, in which angle it is 1 by 2? It's 1 by 2. It is sine of which angle? 1 by 2. 60 degree or 30 degree? 30 degree. Okay, so sine 30 degree. When you are writing in pi, how will you write? Sine of pi by 6. So this all the things already I taught you. Is it right? That is pi means 180 by 6. So you will get 30 degree. So what's the value now? Sine y equal to pi by 6. So this will get cancelled. What's the y value? Y equal to pi by 6. What's the principal value? The principal value of sine inverse of 1 by 2 is, what's the value? Pi by 6. Okay, is pi by 6. Then second one, next one, tan inverse of minus root 3. Okay, so let's tan inverse of minus root 3 equal to y. Okay, so what's the range for this one? Minus pi by 2 less than or equal to y less than or equal to pi by 2. So tan y equal to, how much you will get? You bring this to this side. So minus root 3. So which angle it will be? That is tan 180 by how much you will find? So directly you will write tan of here on minus. So minus pi by 3. So what's the value? Tan and tan will get cancelled. So y is equal to minus pi by 3. So you need to take down the answer. That is the principal value of tan inverse of minus root 3 is, like that you need to write, is minus pi by 3. That's the answer. Understand, students? Okay. Then let's move to the next question. Example 4.24. It's very easy. Example 4.24. Evaluates. First one, cos of sine inverse of 5 by 13. Then second one, tan of cos inverse of 8 by 17. Okay, so we are going to evaluate this. Solution. Let first what we need to do is, we need to evaluate in whatever is inside the bracket. Afterwards we will include whatever is outside. Okay, so what is inside? Sine inverse of 5 by 13. So first you are going to consider as just theta. So cos theta, like that. Let sine inverse of 5 by 13. You consider this as theta. So sine theta equal to, if you are bringing this to this side, what will happen? 5 by 13. This one you take it as 1. So sine theta equal to 5 by 13. So now you know the sine theta value. From this you need to find cos theta value. So what's the formula for cos theta? Equal to 1 minus sine square theta. How you got this formula? That is cos square theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta. From this, if you taking cos theta, square root of 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, so this one. So that's equal to square root of 1 minus sine square theta means 5 by 13 the whole square. That's equal to square root of 1 minus 25 by 169. Simplify. Square root of 169 minus 25 by 169 equal to square root of 144 divided by 169. If you are taking outside the square root, you will get 12 by 13. So this is equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, that is from 1 and 2, we are going to simplify. That is from 1 and 2. Now what's the value? Cos of sine inverse of 5 by 13 equal to cos theta. This one is theta, is it right? So that's equal to, what's the value you have found out? 12 by 13. Okay, so what's the value? 12 by 13. It stands. Okay, part number 2. That same as this one, this you consider. What is inside the bracket? Cos inverse of 8 by 17 equal to theta. So what's the value for cos theta? 8 by 17. From this you need to find sin theta value. Is it right? So here you keep in mind outside it is tan. You have a double by man. Last problem you have whatever is outside the bracket, that value you have found out. Here you are doing for tan. So here we can't do for tan. Is it right? Only we know the formula relating to sin and cos. So we are finding sin theta value first. So sin theta means root of 1 minus cos square theta. So from this root of 1 minus 8 square by 17 square. That's equal to square root of 1 minus 64 by 289. If you simplify, 289 minus 64 divided by 289. If you are finding what's the value? 15 by 70. Take this. Equation number 2. Okay. Then what will you do? First equation, that is first equation means first you have considered, no? From that you will find it. That is from 1 and 2, that is tan of cos inverse of 8 by 17 equal to tan, this one is theta. Okay, tan theta. That's equal to tan theta means what's the formula? Sin theta by cos theta. So what's the value for sin theta? We have found it already. Okay. Sin theta, what's the value? 15 by 17. What's the value for cos theta? 8 by 17. So it will get cancelled. What's the answer? 15 by 8. This is a required answer. Understand, ma? Yeah. Shall we move to next one? It's a very easiest section. Sometimes for 2 mark or 1 mark they may ask this. Okay. So we need to learn this. Example 4.25. Prove that. Okay, so prove that. First one is tan inverse of 1 by 7 plus tan inverse of 1 by 30 equal to tan inverse of 2 by 9. Second one, cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus tan inverse of 3 by 5 equal to tan inverse of 27 by 11. Okay. Solution. First one, tan inverse of 1 by 7 plus tan inverse of 1 by 13. Okay. That is equal to, you know the formula for tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. I have taught you the formula in property, that is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y equal to, what's the formula? Tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. We are going to use this formula here. What's the formula? According to this formula, tan inverse of x value is 1 by 7 plus 1 by 13 divided by 1 minus 1 by 7 into 1 by 13. Okay. So, we are going to simplify this. I am writing the numerator again. Tan inverse of, what's the numerator? That is simplified. So denominator it is 7 into 30. Okay, so 13 into 7 means 1, 2, 1, 7 is 7, 91. Okay, so the LCM is 91. So we are going to simplify the numerator first. The LCM is 91. So 1 by 7 and 1 by 13 is it, right? So 1 by 7 plus 1 by 13. The LCM is 91. So when you are crossing 13 plus 7 you will get this, right? Sorry, 1 by 7 into our LCM. So when you are cancelling you will get a 1, 21, that is 13. Okay, so 13 divided by 91. 1 by 13 into 91. I think it will be 6, is it right? 4. 12, 52, 3, sorry, 7. 1, 2, 9. So 7. So this all things you know already. And then in denominator 1 minus 1 by 91. So you are going to simplify, that is tan inverse of 20 by 91 divided by 91 minus 1 divided by 91. So this will get cancelled. The balance is tan inverse of 20 by 90. So it will get cancelled. That is equal to tan inverse of 2 by 9. So this is the first one. Second one, let cos inverse of 4 by 5 will take us theta. Okay, so theta. Then what about the cos theta value ma? Equal to 4 by 5. From this, if you are finding sin theta, what will happen? Square root of 1 minus cos square theta equal to square root of 1 minus 4 square by 5 square. That's equal to square root of 1 minus 16 by 25. That's equal to 25 minus 16 by 25. So 25 minus 16 means 9 by 25. You get as 3 by 5. So this is the value for sin theta. Sin theta equal to 3 by 5. So if we need tan theta, what's the formula? Sin theta by cos theta. So sin theta by cos theta, that's equal to 3 by 5 by 4 by 5. So you will get 3 by 4. So tan theta equal to 3 by 4. Okay. So from this, if you are finding theta, what's the value you will get? Tan inverse of 3 by 4. Okay. Then cos inverse of 4 by 5 equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. Now we are going to add this. That's now cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus tan inverse of 3 by 5. Okay. So what you need to do, this only we need to find. Is it right? So cos inverse of 4 by 5, that only it will be same as tan inverse of 3 by 4. Correct? So this is same as tan inverse of 3 by 4. This one as it is plus tan inverse of 3 by 5. Got it? That's equal to, again we are going to use tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y formula. Now only in first part I have said the formula, so I am not going to repeat. I am going to write it same. Tan inverse of x plus y. So 3 by 4 plus 3 by 5 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 3 by 5. Simplify to tan inverse of LCM is 20, 15 plus 12 divided by 1 minus 9 by 20. That's equal to tan inverse of 27 by 20 divided by 20 minus 9 by 20. That is, this will be cancelled. You will get tan inverse of 27 by 11. So this is the answer. Understand? Okay students. So one more problem we will do it today. Example 4.26. Find the value of tan 5 by 4 minus tan inverse of 1 by 8. Okay. So solution. Let tan inverse of 1 by 8 equal to theta. So from that, tan theta equal to 1 by 8. Okay. So tan of pi by 4 minus tan inverse of 1 by 8 equal to tan of pi by 4. In the place of this one, you will substitute as theta. Okay, minus theta. So what's the formula for tan of x minus y? Tan x minus y, what's the formula? Same as, that is tan x minus y into that same formula you use, that is tan of x minus, that's formula. Therefore you will use the formula. Okay, so this one is tan of pi by 4 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. So 1 minus tan pi by 4, what's the value? 45 degree, that is 1. Then tan theta, what's the value? 1 by 8. Then 1 plus 1 into 1 by 8. That's equal to 8 minus 1 by 8 divided by 1 plus 1 by 8. That's equal to 7 by 8 divided by 8 plus 1 by 8. So this will get cancelled. You will get the answer as 7 by 9. Okay, students. Okay, so we have completed up to example 4.26. I hope you all of you understand. So it's a very easiest section. Here only one important thing is you need to learn all the properties. Okay, so first thing before when you are going to see the problems, first you take down the formulas, the properties and learn all the properties. Understand? If you are very thorough in the properties, the section will be very easy for you. So please students learn all the properties that way. Okay. So first you learn the properties, afterwards you go through the problem, then the section will be very easy for you. Okay. So there are 6 properties. All the 6 properties we are using in problems, as well as this tabular column is very important. Function, domain, range is very important. So that's also you need to learn. Okay. So that when you learn it first, afterwards property 1 to 6 you need to learn. Okay. Afterwards you go to the problem, it will be very easy for you. So we have completed some examples, 4.26 we completed. So I think in one more within one more class we will complete the examples. 2 more class if we are taking this unit it will be over. Okay. So I hope you all of you learned everything, and I hope you all of you learned your exams also very neatly. Those who are not at all taking the classes regularly, please take down everything to your classes neatly. Okay. So we are not at all omitting any problems. So when you are seeing the class, all the problems must be there. If you have any doubt, you can clarify with me in interaction section. Okay, students? Okay. So today, now I am going to give the homeworks for you. Take down your books, all of you. So your homework is exercise 4.4, problem number 1. That is finding the principal value. Now I taught you that same one. Okay. Then problem number 3. That is same as example 4.25 first part. Okay. Third problem same as example 4.25 first part. Then so I think today it's enough. Okay. So first problem and third problem is your homework. Please students do it neatly. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Examples everything you have learned, you need to learn. Afterwards take down everything to your classes. Afterwards do the 2 homeworks also. So exercise 4.4 problem number 1 and 3 is your homework. Okay students. Okay, we will meet in the next class. We will complete the remaining examples. Okay students, be safe, learn everyday portion, don't waste your time. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.